In the ante.xyz page, click on the Community Test Repository link. From here, we will go to fork the repository into our own GitHub. Once that's completed, we can install npm by running sudo apt install npm. Once npm is installed, we run npm -- version to verify the version that was installed. After that, we're going to install git as well using the same command, sudo apt install git. Once git has been installed, we're going to clone the repo by clicking code and copy the HTTPS link. From the GitHub folder that you want to clone the repo in, run git clone and then paste the link that was just copied. Go into the GitHub repository and run the command npm install to install the necessary packages. Once complete, we can run npx hardhat to make sure that the hardhat package was installed. Copy the env.example to the .env file, and then there you can insert your Alchemy, Infura, and Etherscan keys. Now we're going to change the branch to the demo branch by running git checkout demo. Afterwards, run the command run npm run test in order to run the unit test for all the anti-tests in the demo branch. And once completed, you'll be ready to write anti-tests.